Welcome back. Ponda police have arrested a gangster from Irani gang of Pune. The gang is involved in chain and Mangalsutra snatching. On Friday morning, they snatched a Mangalsutra of a lady in Margao and then of another in Ponda. People alerted the police. Ponda police chased the Irani gang. Bikers alert Ponda locals caught hold of one Nadar Changiz and thrashed him, whereas another robber managed to escape. Nadar Changiz is one of the members of Irani gang. The gang is involved in chain snatching. Locals of Ponda caught one of the members while on run at Mardol Ponda and thrashed him. Another robber managed to flee by jumping in the river. Nadar Changiz was beaten and then admitted to district hospital in Ponda. He was later shifted to GMC for further medication. Reporter Vivek Prabhu with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent. Zilla Panchayat candidate of Kolwa Nelly Rodriguez has finally agreed to work on party lines. After much hue and cry opposing ZP election on party lines, Nelly informed that it is necessary to work on party lines for the best interest of people. She said her symbol is as good as of an independent candidate.
Today we have to support, we are just aligning means supporting the government in the interest of people's works. All the schemes etc. have to be fulfilled.
Nelly said elected independent candidates will, however, have to take assistance of government for funds and local area development.
I have strongly condemned the attacks of Mother Teresa about this vandalization of churches, and these stray incidents happen throughout always. And not only that, independents are going to be the first persons when they are starved of funds to run to the BJP and align with them. There is no other alternative. And they have given in their manifesto that we are going to do this work, that work, that work. They have spelled out a number of works with the government support. With the government support means they are going to go only to the government's feet. Then why they condemn me that I am aligning with BJP?
Reporter Dattaraj Naik for Prudent.
Godebonni is an important form of warrior folk dance performed during Shigmo. Along with other villages, it is popular in Morjeen too. Dancers depict scenes of warfare as they dance to the sounds of the dole and tasso. The procession starts at Brahman Shrine at Vatsawada and proceed towards the Morjai temple. Have a look. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट.